Take a look at this 1962 Ford F100 custom cab short box pickup. Now, as far as the color on this, I'd kind of call it a medium to dark turquoise. Sometimes it shows up a little bit more blue on the video and the camera. It's a little tough color to kind of deal with, but a little darker than a Caribbean turquoise that Ford would have had back then. Kind of a medium turquoise. 292 Y block underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Basically 3 on the tree, or your 3-speed manual on the column. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. This vehicle has underwent a restoration. Came out of a private collection in Arizona. It has always been a Western United States truck. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Ford wheel covers, and beauty rings with the wide white wall radials. Great look on this truck. And as you can see, paint shows well. Bright work looks good on this one. There's bed rails back there, cool look. Interior's been redone in kind of a black and charcoal or black and gray combo. Vinyl cloth. Other than that, pretty stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Like this setup for the tailgate. Quite the design with the handles and latches. Almost a little more like the look of a taillight on a car. And then the tailgate incorporated into that. That also finished off nicely. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side. There was a couple spots, and I don't know if I can really get it to show up, but it's just kind of like they're a little bit flat as far as the shine goes compared to the rest of it. Nothing real big. Just wanted to point it out. Be a fun truck to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this interior. Also finished off very nicely, as you can see. Again, vinyl and cloth combination with the black and gray seat belts. You can also see. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Vinyl flooring, good shape. Again, 292 Y block. Paired up with that 3-speed manual. Shifter right here in the column. Stock radio in the dash yet. I have not had that power up, so you're aware of that. That's a generator light. When the idle goes down, that'll light up some. Make sure we're warmed up enough here in neutral. Headliner looks good. Door closes and fits nicely. This would have the one exhaust coming out the passenger side, so I'm going to slip over this side so you can hear it. And let's slip up to the front. Check out this engine bay. I think we know it's going to look as good under the hood as it does in the rest of the truck, but let's check it out. Let me pause this, get the hood open, and remember to stick around to the very end of this video. Take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Underside of the hood, also nice and clean and tidy. And here it is. So let's say we have an aluminum radiator, that's newer. That V8 power, 292 cubic inches of it. Now your error correct look to the battery. There's a battery disconnect on top of there too for in between drives or maybe while it's in storage. That gives you an idea how it looks and sounds underneath the hood. 1962 Ford F100 custom cab, short box pickup, unique classiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Call us with any questions, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Ford F100 in a very cool teal color. This truck is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Both our turn signal indicators are working. This truck accelerates nicely. Clutch and shifter feel good. You have a little bit of slack in the steering, as you might expect. Suicide knob mounted to this steering wheel does make it easier to drive. Our windshield wipers function on this truck. Nicely done restoration job on this truck. Matching paint in the bed, no dents. Very smooth. Our fuel gauge is rated 3/4 of a tank. Temperature gauge about 150, still climbing. You don't see too many of this era of truck. I like the nice touch of the wood side stakes on the bed. It does lean a little in the corners, as you might expect from a 1962 F100, but corners well. Good acceleration from this truck. Rubber floor mat on the floor of this truck, and a combination vinyl and cloth bench seat. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. Good running truck, and you don't see too many. This is a very nice looking F100. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.